learners. My name is Claire and I'm a tutor on Cambly Kids. And today I'll be talking to you about the magic of vowels in English. Today I'll be specifically looking at our short vowel sounds. Imagine that our short vowel sounds are the superheroes of words in English. Our short vowel sounds are a, e, o, and or a, e, I, o, u. These letters have different sounds. When we make a short vowel sound, the a becomes a. Join me. A, as in cat. K, a, t. A is like the sound that you make when you go to the doctor's and the doctor asks you to open your mouth. Try it with me. Say, a. Let's try another example. Mat. A, t. Mat. Bat. Bat. B, a, t. Great job. We've learnt the short vowel sound for a. Let's move on to our next superhero. It's the letter E. Our short vowel sound is e. Bed. B, e, d. Egg. E, g. Leg. Where's your leg? L, e, g. Our next superhero sound is E. E is like the sound you make when you see something a little bit exciting. You might say E. Let's practice our E sound. Big. B, E, g. Dig. D, E, g. Pig. Oink, oink. P, E, g. Great job, boys and girls. Our next short vowel sound is O. You try. O. O. It's like the sound you make when you see something that gives you a little surprise. O. O. Let's practice. Dog. Like a dog. Ruff, ruff. D. O. G. Frog. Fr. O, g. Log. L, o, g. Our next superhero vowel sound is a. The letter U. Join me in practice. Bus. B, a, s. Gum. G, a, m. What about nut? N, a, t. Okay, well done, boys and girls. We practiced our short vowel sounds. Now it's time for Storytime Magic. Can you listen out for the short vowel sounds in this story? Are you ready? In a big red tent, Ben the little hen met his friend Tim. They played with 6 soft kittens. Ben hit a drum, bum ba-dum 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 bum, making a big sound. Tim dug a pit in the sand. It was fun. The sun set, and they sat by a fire, singing a song about short vowel sounds. The end. Great job, boys and girls. I hope that you could find and hear some of the short vowel sounds that we just practiced. Hooray! Give yourself a big clap. For those who are unfamiliar with Cambly, Cambly gives you instant access to friendly native speakers. You can take English lessons anywhere right from your computer. Ask your parents to schedule your next lesson with me using the link below. Keep practicing these superheroes of words that are a, e, I, o, a. Thanks so much for watching, and bye!